because it has a technical sound, like a technology-like sound, but they don't know why it sounds like that. It's kind of like people are like, it's how we sort of have been programmed to associate mint, like the taste of mint, with cleanliness and freshness and clean, like all that stuff. Hey, Verity. So, but yeah, but in the world of Plague Rat, they don't know what a computer is. Well, rather, they know it's a thing. They know conceptually. They still exist. There's not many. Because they don't have, like, the, like, massive facilities to process all the things, to make all the chips and whatnot, you know. Like, they don't have that anymore, so they can't like, there are groups of people who still know how to make computers, but they have to all be individually made. For the most part. But electronic music, techno as a genre, lives. Yeah, we have no clue why. Yeah, we have, it's like, yeah, this exists, but the concept of computerized music, like the sound exists, the aesthetic exists, but the actual original source is gone. So I just realized, like, look at this, like, holy crap. Lost tech. Yeah, well, that's what it is. It is lost. Well, I mean, again, they still exist. Computers still exist. And most of them are left over, but they've just been very rigorously, religiously almost maintained. But, like, no one's going to space. Like, DJ will learn. He kind of does. He likes technology now, but he's unfamiliar with the genre of sci-fi because he's been, like, super sheltered and, you know, low-key brainwashed to not have any hobbies. Cal will introduce him to sci-fi as a genre, and DJ will love it. But, you know, even though we live in an era where we can look at the sky, and, you know, he loves astronomy, he can look at the sky and think about spaceships and stuff. I've seen things that have been to space and come back. Like, if you've been to any aerospace museum, you have seen things that have been up there and come back down here. My brother works on that shit. It's like, oh my god. My brother has had a conversation with people who are in space. You got to touch stuff. Oh, dang. I have meteorites. That's it. Yeah. Yeah, it's fancy, it's irreplaceable. I wrote in, like, it is possible for a small group of people, if you have the correct knowledge and facilities, again, to keep producing computer parts, but it'll be on an incredibly small scale. And a lot of it is recycled. Oh. Dang, you all get to touch stuff. I got meteorites. I got space rock. I don't have anything we set up and we came back. But it's wild to think, like, they can read about things. Wah, wah. Aww. As someone with many tons of rocks in her own, yes. I hear Evie make that one. Yeah, they have no concept of this sort of thing. Which, again, in my brain is just wild. Like, what circuit boards, like, I mean, okay, electricity exists, so basic circuits exist. But it's just one of those things like, holy crap. I mean, they probably are able to do computers like, textile based ones. Well, you're in the hospital though, aren't you, G1? Ooh. Chunk of Mars, so that's cool. Wow, that's cool. Let's do a circuit board on that. Let's make that. Like, this sort of aesthetic would exist. Oh, dang. I have a coin. I do like that background, though. It's so cool. Is it? I really like that. Yeah, so like, I just find it really interesting in my I've made a world where it's like where it's like this, it's like there's skeuomorphs everywhere, which I love those actually. And it's just no one really pays attention to it because that's just how it is, and they kind of don't know why. Sorry. I just, I don't know. It's a thought that hit me. I'm like, that's right. Cal enjoys techno. Many people enjoy techno as a genre. They have never seen a computer. Oh, that's right. No, Yersinia has two computers, I think. No, it might have one. No, it has two. At least what we would recognize as a computer, and not like a fancy adding machine sort of thing. Um, and they are both in the tech center. And DJ, that's right, DJ has seen the computers because he has been to the little medical tech building workshop, more like. Mostly they just they just kind of, that's sort of the tech center is more just like the workshop where they like make and build prosthetics and maintain equipment and, you know, make equipment for things. But there is a computer. They do have a computer because they also do experiment. Oh, it's not that they're not tech. No, it's just it doesn't. It's so hard to, you know, get. You know, it's just it's. Oh, sorry, I thought you were riffing on Eddie. Well, Susie Izzard's Techno Joy skit, where she goes on about how like some people seem really terrified of technology, but you know she's like she has Techno Joy. She loves technology. Like technophobic. Okay, I thought you were going off Susie Izzard. Ooh, try and make that fun. Well, they completely went over my head. So yeah, so DJ has seen the computer that they have to analyze results from things like various tests and whatnot. And Cal will see a computer. He will. Because DJ will drag his ass to the techno center once he realizes, oh my god, you have a breathing condition? And these masks are hard for you to breathe in? Well, let's fix that. And Cal's like, wait, what the hell? You can fix this? To an extent. Is he? I see him make an album cover. Typical of me, I'm like, this album cover thing, like, wow, like you're like waxing philosophical about stuff. Yeah. I do love all the jokes about the friend who keeps like a gun beside the printer. Data cubes.
Well, looks like it's time to stretch.
I should. Frick. Ugh. Thank you, OneNote. Yep. I don't know that sound. It dies. Oh, wait, no, let's use the... Oh, yeah, let's use these. Why are they gray? They need to be like neon blue. Tech cubes. Data cubes. Oh, wait, what are these? Now I have these. This. Oh no. Oh, I wonder. I need to find that. So if there's a sound bite of Strong Bad reading the screen, I should have that for whenever my computer throws an error message instead of the like donk noise. Because I can hear him in my head say flagrant system error. That needs to be a sound bite. So I can tell my computer, play that if there's an error message. And I'm like, oh no. Virus equals Mary. Yes. Oh no. I can't do the Strong Bad voice. But I should have put that chromatic aberration filter on it too. Is it? See. Ah. Oh, it's not like a radio thing. Oh, come on. Let's look like at the concentric circle there. Ah, okay. Hmm. That was cool. I want to put like a title on here. I always think it's kind of funny, like, sometimes, um, speaking of old media, you know, we'll like, I like that Evie and I'll say something, and Kiddo's like, the hell? What? We're like, oh, you don't get that reference. That was before your time. That was before your time. And Kiddo was like, what they say, they said, normally I don't want, it's like, normally it's people who are really super old who say that, and it's like, and I know you are probably the age you say you are, but the fact that you say, that's the way you say some of these things, makes you think that you might be vampires. And my mom's vampires. Like, no, we're not vampires. You, like, don't age. Like, well, we do, just not a lot. Not very quickly. Yeah. But you say it was before your time about, like, wax cylinders for records. Like, well, yeah. Like, I know you played you like you used them growing up, but is it really because your family just likes antiques and stuff? Like, yes, we just happen to like antiques and older technology just for funsies. Kid's like, sus. I kind of just throw this in there to see what it would do. Well, why not? Let's do a thing. Oh, it looks all crusty too. That's perfect. Well, that mutes it. I don't like that music. Something, something. Whoa. Yeah, nah. I'm older than Google. I predate time itself. Okay, I need like a title because we're so focused on this panel here. It needs a title. Something that's no one's using that we can just throw on here. Like an album name that doesn't really make any sense. Um gonna steal like that color. Let's see. Let's think of an album name. Um Uh, uh, is this a remix? It's a techno remix album. Of like classical music. Uh, mm. Oh my god, they might even know the word glitch, but they wouldn't really know what it referred to. It would just be another word for a technical error. It's just so weird. Sorry, my brain is over here in the back. Go, hey, it's like brain, shut up. I need an album name. Um, it's a techno remix. Well, it's 3:30. I have to do a lot of cleaning for Evie gets home. I want to finish this page, at least get the art done. Because tonight I'm not streaming. I'm gonna be pampering Evie. And she's like, I know there's still blood in my hair. I know there is. Yeah. I'll come here like, oh my god, name. Yeah. I told Kiddo how my brain can do that, and it was last night I sort of, sometimes if you have a long list of things that you need to do, you're like, ah, shit. You just kind of start like looping them, and you're like, all right, all right. Like like, all right, brain. Like, thank goodness I don't, like, I have like sometimes like, a little bit of executive dysfunction. That only happens like usually if I have having a migraine or like generally not feeling well or something. That's when it can hit and be a problem. But usually it doesn't hit me. What's more likely to happen is sometimes I'll have a really long task list and my brain will go, hey, stupid ad break. Thought I told to go away. Thought I snoozed it. Huh. Yeah, you get that list of tasks sometimes, and my brain's like, okay. And I almost, I spend too long nitpicking the priority list, you know? It's like I have the list of priorities, and I have the tasks, and I'm trying to break them all down. And it's like I'm getting too granular, like way too like lost in the details of the tasks and trying to calculate how much time everything's gonna take. That I just kind of sitting there buffering, you know. It's like I have those tasks. I'm sitting there just buffering, trying to analyze, okay, what's the best way to go through these? What's going to take how long? What's going to do this? What two things kind of overlap? Because laundry usually takes this long to run, so I can put that in and then do this thing, because that usually, I should get that done before the laundry has to be switched over. And at that time, I'll be able to get this thing done. Like, I spend too long doing that sometimes. So, it's not like, oh my god, I have so many tasks, where do I start? It's more like, okay, I have so many tasks. Let me try and I'm going to break down now the most efficient way to get them all done in the shortest amount of time possible. And I'm just kind of buffering there. And it's not stressful for me, but I can lose track of time doing that. Like, I'm not stressed by that at all. Whereas I know executive dysfunction, having, actually had it when I don't feel well, it is stressful. And even seeing eating kiddos suffer from it, I know it's stressful to have that. And to have the overwhelm thing hit you. And I explained to kiddo, like, because, they saw me, like, kind of sitting there, like, scrolling aimlessly on Instagram. They're like, wait, don't you have a lot of things to do? Yeah, why are you on Instagram? My subconscious is taking care of all the other stuff. Because my subconscious doesn't second guess or think. And my subconscious just says, okay, the most important things you need to do right now is this list of things. And usually 10 minutes it'll tell me. It's like, hey, I got your list and it's all prioritized for you. It's like, thank you, subconscious. I explained to the kiddo how that works, and they're like, I am so insanely jealous. My brain can't do that. It's like, yeah, I know. That's smart. That's smart. I try to make stacking. Usually, I get lost in trying to make them stack too much. Like, what can kind of run on its own? It's like, oh yeah, if I do this, I can do this at the same time, and do this other thing. If it's not too big a task list, I can successfully get through all of the like prioritize and whatnot in 10 minutes myself, like consciously, and then just get up and do them. It's weird. As much as harmful as a stereotype of autistic people being compared to robots or machines or computers in their brain, that's really sometimes what it feels like. I feel like, all right, here it is. Here's the task list. Let's execute the code. Go. There's the program. Let's run it. And it's like, okay, ready to go. And it's like, yeah. I'm like, yep, that's the list. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay. I get up and I do them. The kid was like, how can you just like keep moving? It's like there's a task list. I'm just doing it. Oh no. Yeah. Yeah. It is fine until something gets thrown in there, because I'll be doing some like maybe some cleaning and it's like, and we are out of the thing I need to continue. Shit. Out of cheese error. Oh no, yeah, you should probably handle this soon. Checks can expire. least they used to be able. They used to. Oh shit! The deliveries. Evie has some health-related stuff being delivered, and I hear a very slow vehicle outside. Delivered! Yep. Oh, yeah, just now. Yeah, no, drop them off. Get that money. Well, I have to go get in Evie's stuff and get them in the fridge so that they can freeze in time for her when she gets here. Because all of the swelling and inflammation, I bought a cool ice mask and also ice eye masks, like full face mask and eye mask, and also like a roller, which all the other ladies in the facial feminization chats and groups that she's in are all like, get them. Have them ready as soon as you get home. I'm like, yes, ma'ams. Will do. There you go. Well, I'm gonna go and get the delivery in and start my task list with step 1 being put all of the things that need frozen into the fridge, into the freezer. And then I can start laundry. And then continue the rest of the task. Well, I can start laundry and then I can put away the things that need hung up in the bedroom still, left over from the grandparent things, and I can put away the books, and then my brain's like, here's your task list. Like, all right, brain. We have the task list already. We built it earlier and said we would execute it when we're on the stream. We just have the added thing on top, which adds to the efficiency of things. I will attempt not to. Hi, Pasha. Oh. She jumped up and on the chair and she overcompensated and went too far. Her nose hit the edge of the desk. Is your nose okay? She's annoyed. I'm gonna go. Thank you for hanging out, Parody. Nice to see you. Yeah, on a surprise self boop at speed. Oh, that's not good. I can't. How's your nose? Like me. Don't talk to me. He's annoying. Yes, nice seeing you, Parody. And as you as well, Crowbar Scout. I hope you all have a good rest of your days. And thank you for hanging out, Unknown, and you too, G1, even though I know you're in the hospital. Hope the rest of your day is good. And yeah, I'm gonna go get things ready for Evie. She'll be home in like 3 hours. Oh, hopefully 3 hours. So, I'm so excited. I'm gonna take care of stuff. And I have to eat food. I really have not done that yet. I'm gonna eat food. My little voice in the head goes, remember, you needed this eating thing. Yeah. So, I'm gonna go do stuff, and I will be back tomorrow. With Evie updates. So, yay! I will see you all later. Have a good one.